The global citizen organization and popular artist Lady Gaga collaborated to create the One World Together at Home concert on April 18th. The televised event was intended to promote the practice of social distancing during the COVID-19 pandemic and to thank healthcare workers on the front lines.
Smile though your heart is breaking. Smile even though it's aching.
Hi, this is Lady Gaga, and today I'm so happy that we are one world together at home.
This is for everybody out there who's been working on the front line 24/7. Thank you for all your expertise, your love, your care, your humanity.
All of the healthcare workers, everybody on the front lines and behind the scenes, on behalf of Nick and our girls, myself, all of us here, we say thank you.
According to Nielsen, the concert attracted nearly 21 million viewers across 26 different networks.
If you just smile.